we got it.
New Jersey out 20 nautical miles until 7 p.m.
Oh my gosh.
At 5:32 p.m., the leading edge of an area of strong thunderstorms was located 10 nautical miles southwest
What the
of Crystal
heck?
Beach, moving southeast at 30 knots.
Oh my
Hazard,
gosh.
wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and
Oh my
suddenly higher
goodness,
waves.
what the?
Locations impacted include Leonardo, Newport Reef,
WXM69?
Atlantic Highlands, Armageddon Reef, Margaret
immediately has got winds and highway power inspection.
Silverton,
Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm.
Shark River Reef,
Keep out on the open water. Stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
and 70-foot reef. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. Keep caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible, and keep away from ungrounded metal objects.